utilize the FHA 3.5% down home loan, which allows you to buy a multi-family property up to 4 units. So you could essentially get approved for a loan where you put 3.5% down on the home. So 3.5% down is only $3,500 per 100,000. So you find a 4-unit property. It has, 4 units. And now the FHA home loan requires you to live in the property as an owner-occupied loan, but you don't have to live there your whole life. You can actually move out after a certain period of time. So let's just say you got a loan on the property, you owe $100,000, we owe, $96,500 on the property, and your mortgage payment, including taxes, insurance, and all that, is only running you, let's just say $800 a month. So you're living here, this is you, and now you rent each one of these units out for whatever the going rate is. Let's just say it's $700 a month. You get $700 here from a tenant paying you every month. You get $700 here. So your mortgage payment is only $800 a month, but you got 3 people paying you every single month $700. You got $2,100 coming to you every month. That more than covers your mortgage payment. So you're basically getting paid to live. So that's the easiest way to get involved in real estate investing. And after, I think guidelines, FHA guidelines is you got to live there for a year. You can move out. You can move out after a year. So you move out, rent that baby out for $700 a month. Now you're banking. You're banking $2,800 a month. And there you go. Then you got your first property. Now that property's paying itself off. So that's the easiest way to get into real estate. There are other ways, but that's the underutilized method right there. It's basically called house hacking, if you guys are familiar with the term.
That's house hacking?
House hacking. It's a, slang, I guess, in real estate. Now, investing in real estate, people ask me, well, Tony, where do I get started? Let's just say I don't want to go this route. What if I just want to just, buy houses cash, flip houses, that kind of method. I tell people focus on 2 things. Education, knowing how to evaluate a deal. And this isn't on this presentation. This is just something I'm sharing with you. Here's a little nugget. Knowing how to evaluate a deal through your real estate education and having a good team. And I would say the first step, the first way is knowing how to evaluate a deal is the most critical. Evaluating a deal can make or break you as an individual. This is what I don't like. I have people, they buy houses and they buy it way above market value, and then they tell me, well, Tony, what can I sell this property for? I bought it to flip it. I bought this property and now I want to sell it. What can I sell it for? And I'll tell you, well, in this market right now, the neighborhood that you're in, you're only able to sell it for $20,000. And they get upset because they didn't evaluate that deal properly. Let me ask you, who in here would buy a house for $1? You? You buy a house for $1? You?
More than enough.
Okay. Would you buy a house for $1? You wouldn't buy a house for $1? All right. Now, for those of you who said you would buy that house for $1, now you find out you bought that property for $1, but it needs $40,000 worth of work. And the after repair value, what it's worth, all fixed up, is only worth $40,000. Would y'all still buy that house for $1? It don't make sense. Only a deal is a deal. You got to evaluate that deal. So knowing how to evaluate a deal is critical. I'm going to show you how to evaluate a deal. Here you got a house. I'm gonna pick on Darnell. Someone called you from your marketing. Somebody knows you're in real estate, says, hey Darnell, I got a house for sale in Akron, on the east side. I want to sell this property. What can you offer me for it? So this is how you properly evaluate a property in Akron. So what Darnell would do right away is contact his real estate agent and say, hey Tony, I got a house